Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the problem with title as add binaries. So we are given two strings A and B. Of course they are representing a binary number A and B. We want to return their sum as a binary string. So first approach what we can think is, for this we want to add these binary numbers. So after addition the number will be in the binary format. So can we do can we convert the number into the decimal, then use the plus operator, and then again convert them into binary? Is it even possible? So first of all, let us move to the constraint. The constraint at up to 10 to the power 4 means we cannot convert this into the decimal number, as the decimal is very huge and no integer, long or double can manage with manage the number with this amount of length. So this is the reason we cannot put the number into the decimal and then perform the operation. Instead, what we have is the length of A and B is huge, up to 10 to the power 4. So we need to perform the operation into the binary format itself. Instead of creating them as a, instead of converting them into decimal and then do the operations. So first thing is clear. So each string do not contain any leading zero except 0 itself. Okay, so no string contains leading zeros. A and B consist only zeros or one characters. Okay, that's fine, as it is a binary string, it should be. So first of all, so one thing is clear, that we need to perform the binary operation to the string itself instead of creating the instead of converting the string into some other format, right? So first of all, if you don't know the binary operation, that how addition works in the binary, so first of all I will explain how addition will work in the binary format. Like, first of all, suppose 1 plus 1 will create a 0 and a carry equal to 1, right? 1 plus 0 will be 1, right? And 0 plus 1 is also 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Basically addition of 2 0 will become 0. So we will do, so let us take this example and solve it how the binary addition will work. So the string 1 is 1010, string 2 is 1011. So we will start adding from least significant bit, LSB. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and carry 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 0. Plus 1 is 0, plus carry 1, and 0, 0 and 1 is 1, right? So this will be our answer. So likewise we will do the operation step by step. Like, we will start from the end. From in string perspective, we will start from the last index and move to the towards the from last to first index, from last to 0, means the length of string minus 1th index to 0th index, and we will do for both strings. So this is our approach, but a bit improvement we need to make before we implement this. As you can see here, the length of both the string is different. So what we can do, what I have thought, that we can append some zeros in front of this particular string until it becomes to the same length. So this is the one approach that we can do. Or another approach that we can, if the length of the string is finished, then we can consider it 0 manually. So instead of modifying the second, the smaller string, we will use, if our pointer is going, we will move the pointer from last to the first. If any of the one pointer is reached at 0 and we cannot move to the negative, then we will put the value at this particular point as 0. right? So I hope you understand the approach, and let me move to the coding part, that how we are going to do this, right? So let me start coding. First of all, we will take two variables, int I equal to a dot length minus 1, pointing to the last element of the string a, and j dot p as the addition in the binary will go start from least significant bit and the strings are given in such format. So we have to move from the last element to the first one. After that we can make one string answer, string builder answer equal to new string builder, right? This is our new string builder, and we will start. What we are going to do, while if I is more than or equal to 0, or any of this is more than or equal to 0, then we will do the operation. We have one query c int c equal to 0 initially. We have a variable in x equal to 0, int y equal to 0, y equal to 0. If I is more than or equal to 0, then what we will do, we will assign the ith bit of string to the x, like x equal to integer of a dot char at I minus 0. Similarly, we will do for j also, and we will add those number. We will j, x, y, and j, right? So I have done for j. We will have one sum equal to x plus y plus c. We need to add a carry also. Initially I have considered the carry as 0, and what if c is equal to 0, c is not equal to 0, then we will answer dot append as a per and return. So we have a string, we are building the string from LSB side, so we need to return reverse the string, reverse to string. This is the best. Int a equal to sum modulo 2. This will go for current bit, and carry if any. Answer dot push back to the A1, like carry query will be added to the next one. So okay, we have already defined a C, so no need to define a C. So let us see how it works. So okay, the memory limit exceeded. What we need to do, I minus minus and j minus minus, because else we will move to the infinite loop in this case, because we are not decreasing the index value. So it gives some error, x plus y modulo 2 means okay, we are pending it. Okay, here it should be. I made a mistake when I copying the variables, so it is accepted. Let me submit it. So congratulations, we have learned about binary addition and solved one question also. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you learn a new concept of binary addition. Thank you.